Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic ranch dressing. First, gather your organic mayonnaise and sour cream, which form the creamy foundation. Next, prepare your fresh organic herbs, including dill, chives, and parsley, for that signature ranch taste. Don't forget the garlic and onion powders to enhance the savory notes, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for a perfect balance of tang. Now, let's perfect the herb and spice blend. Begin by finely chopping your fresh organic dill, chives, and parsley. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of organic garlic powder with 1 teaspoon of organic onion powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of sea salt. This combination creates the classic, aromatic profile of ranch dressing. Achieving the right consistency is key for delicious ranch dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together your organic mayonnaise, sour cream, and apple cider vinegar until smooth. Gradually add the prepared herb and spice mixture, ensuring it's evenly distributed. If you prefer a thinner dressing, slowly stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic milk until it reaches your desired consistency. Mix thoroughly. Once your organic ranch dressing is mixed, transfer it to an airtight container. It's crucial to refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen, creating a more robust taste. Serve your homemade ranch with fresh salads, crisp vegetables, or as a delightful dip. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.